Hello again, guys, and welcome to my channel. It's called Drawing with Jeff, and this is where I teach you the fundamentals of art, and we have fun doing it. In the past, we've been drawing celebrities, influential people, regular people, just about anything. And we're doing it from a photograph or a picture. This time we are going to be doing a little different, just like the last time. We're going to be doing it from imagination. So the last time we did the facial structure of a male. This time we're going to be doing the facial structure of a female. And it's going to be done strictly from imagination. So let's get right to it. And as usual, the first thing I do is a horizontal line, which represents the eyes, another representing the eyebrow, another higher up, which represents the hairline, and finally extreme top, which represents the top of the head. Below the eye would be one horizontal line for the nose, another below that representing the mouth, and finally at the base of her face would be the tip of her chin. And as usual, the first thing I do is I would draw the left eye. So let's get started with that. So for a female, her eyes are generally wider than that of a male. So as I mentioned before, in comparison, when comparing the male and female, with regard to the eyes of a female are wider than those of a male. In terms of the eyebrows of a female are thinner than those of a male. So that does it for the eyebrow. And so we go down to the nose. In terms of a female's nose, the female nose is generally thinner than males. A female's mouth is generally wider or more luscious than a male's. Male's lips are generally thinner than female. Just some facts in terms of distinction between the anatomy or the physique or the infrastructure or the structure of a female's lip as compared to a male's lip. So lips are wider, more luscious and wider, thicker than a male. is generally, oftentimes, more, it's somewhat it's rounder than a male's chin. A male's chin is more jagged and has more of an angle. So note that let's go over these again. The eyebrows of a female are always thinner and farther away from the eyes than male. The eyes of a female are usually wider than those of a male. The nose of a female is usually thinner than a male. The mouth of a female is usually thicker or more luscious than that of a male. The chin of a female is usually oval in shape or rounded, as opposed to male, which is a little more jagged and angled, square. Okay, let's work on the ears. The ears are usually between the eyebrow and the nose, so varies, but generally speaking. Earring here. Let's give her an earring. Chin of a female is rounder, a little more oval than that of the male. The neck of a female is thinner than that of the male. Just remove all these lines that we originally put there as a guide and just clean up a little. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, guys and girls, there you have it. The anatomy of a female, the structure of a female face, facial features, a little different than that of male. So we did this just strictly from imagination, not from a picture as we would normally do, but from imagination. So this is how you develop a female facial features. Hope you enjoyed it today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Join with Jeff. I hope you had fun today doing this, and just a reminder that over the summer I'll be doing courses on the art of drawing, teaching you all the basics, the fundamentals of drawing. So but for now, let's have fun. So I hope you had fun today, and don't forget to rescue an animal. Have a good day, guys, and thanks for watching. Take care.